want that to be just in time, zero standing privileges, because if some account gets compromised, it won't just lead to inappropriate access or downright dangerous access. Is that kind of where you're going with what you're talking about earlier? And then, well, I mean, the reason that organizations aren't doing that, I don't think it's because they don't agree with that or that they're lazy. It's just, it's hard to do. Maybe it's hard to do because the tools that existed up until today don't really make it easy to do. I don't know. What are your thoughts?
Absolutely, absolutely. So you hit the nail on the head, right? Entitlements are something you worry about when a system is very complex, like the cloud, right? During the vault-led PAM era, there's no such thing as entitlements, right? Once you had root privileges to a box, you could go in there and do whatever it is that you wanted to, right? The entitlements were fairly easy to control because there were only a handful of systems. This started breaking down completely in the cloud native era, especially as IAM APIs became more sophisticated. Because instead of the front door access via username password, the attack surface became entitlements, right? So a big portion of what we call as the API-led PAM is, as I said, the problems it looks to solve are how do you make every access short-lived and least privileged and auditable by design? You know what? That means just-in-time access for users. That means zero standing access for users as well as non-human identities, right? It's how do you implement and operationalize these concepts? That is really the heart of what this next-gen PAM is all about.
So I'm wondering when you get called into, okay, let's see a demo of P0.